Who are you waving at? At yourself, huh? You gonna do it again?
You gonna try with this hand? You do it with that hand?
Only the other hand?
And the little boy's left-handed. Do it with your right hand. Yeah, hold on to daddy.
Or bonk him in the head. You just socked your dad in the face.
No, he got me in the eyeball.
Oh, in the eyeball. Even better. Good aim.
Ouch, Archer. That was sore.
It's the second time he got you in the eye.
Yeah, it's red now.
You're gonna give your daddy a black eye.
I'm gonna scratch my corneas off. Ouch. Sore, Archer. Can you turn around? I hold you like this.
What are you doing?
Archer,
You little pretzel.
Come here. Okay, there you go. Back to normal.
Say sorry for poking your eye, Daddy.